Hello everyone, this is a course to learn the basic of Python. Today we are going to learn about Python data type 2. Let's start with the index of today's lecture. We will learn about tuple, dictionary, and set type. In the first section, we'll learn about operation and range of tuple. Tuple is a collection of objects which are ordered and immutable. Tuples are sequences just like lists. In the example of this page, the first tuple A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But unlike lists, the tuples cannot be changed. As an example, it is impossible to change the value by specifying the index of the tuple. The operation of the tuple has a len function. Len returns the length of the tuple. In the example, the result of len A is 3 since tuple A has 3 objects. And tuples can also be added and multiplied. Adding two tuples returns a tuple with the object of both tuples. Multiplying a tuple by a constant returns a tuple with an object of that tuple as many as a constant. Also, the in operator returns whether the value is in the tuple. For example, if there is a value, it appears as true, and if there is no value, it appears as false. Next, let's learn about the range function. Range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and increment by 1 and stops before a specified number. Looking at the example tuple C, values increasing from 3 to 10 by incrementing 2 are returned. In the second section, we will learn about dictionary. Dictionary are used to store data in key-value pairs. It is a collection which is changeable and does not allow duplicates. There are various types of values such as string, integer, and list. For example, in dictionary 1, key is name and value is Valentine. Also, we can find value by key as an example on the right. The operation of the dictionary has a keys function. With the keys function, we can know the key values in the dictionary. In addition, since dictionaries can be added, if you assign the desired key and value, as in the example below, it will be added to the dictionary. Conversely, the values function returns all values of the dictionary. And the in function returns true or false if there is a key value in the corresponding dictionary, just like the in function of tuple. As explained briefly on the previous page, dictionary can easily add the desired key and value, and through the pop function, the item of the corresponding key value can be removed from the dictionary. In the third section, we will learn about set. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. It is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. The biggest difference from the previous collections is that it is unindexed. Therefore, in a set, various forms such as string, integer, and boolean can exist in one set, like set2 in the example. Since there is no index, you need to check one by one through the loop to access the set. The in function of set, like previous in functions, returns true or false if it exists in the set. To add an item in a set, simply use the add function. To remove it in reverse, use the remove function. Lastly, let's practice with what we learned today. The first problem is to create a multiplication table using the tuple and range. Let's do it together. Since we have to use the range function, let's set the input value first. Because triple have to start with 1, finish with 9 and increase by 1, we have to write the code like this. Now if you print the triple, you can see the result here. Now let's make 2 multiply 2 triple. It starts at 2 less than 20 and increases by 2, so it can be made into a triple range 222. You can fill out the rest in the same way as above. It is a result of completion. The second problem is to show the status of the link using dictionary. Based on level 1, you can calculate the value that changes when the level rises, then store it in the dictionary and print it. First, we need to set character status at level 1. We need to use dictionary like this. The keys are HP, MP, melee, and armor. Now let's print the status and check out the result. Now here is the result. Next, let's write the code for upper levels. For example, let's try level 13. Let's change level to 13. Assume that HP rises by 150 when one level rises, so the HP status for level 13 should be changed. Like this. Let's print status again to check out the result. Now you can see here the character status for level 13 is changed to 2000. You can apply the same keys just like before. It is a result of completion. The last problem is to create common multiple using set. Let A a set of multiple of 3 between 1 and 100, and B as a set of multiple of 5 between 1 and 100. From 1 to 100, make a set C which contains common multiple of 3 and 5. First, let's make a set A and B. Like the previous question number 1, it can be easily made using the range function. You can use the intersection function to obtain the common multiple of set A and B. Now print C to check the result. Now you can see the result what we wanted. It is the result of completion. This is the end of our third class of Python. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please leave comments.